Ignore my flabby arms, but I have glitter all over my arm, right here, on me. I should have wiped that off. So, by reading this title, I'm sure a couple of you are going to be confused in the beginning. Don't worry. Your questions will be answered as you keep watching. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing this monstrosity right here from a company called Coastal Scents. I bought all of this stuff during their Black Friday sale, and honestly, I can't remember what I bought. It's pretty sad when you can't even remember the makeup that you just bought. Maybe I should stop. Nah. I know I got a couple palettes, but it'll be like a late Christmas gift to myself, from myself. But I'm ready to open up this ginormous box. It honestly does not feel too heavy, so I'm wondering how much of this is just wasted space. But I'm so excited to cut it open and show you guys all that I got. This is my first unboxing video, and I still don't own scissors. I keep forgetting to buy them. I think in total I spent like $55 on everything in this box. So let's see how much $55 got me. Okay, we are in. So first of all, my items receipts. I'm just gonna look at what I spent in total, which was, do they even list it? I don't even think they list how much I spent. Okay, well, whatever. I did get this cute little card. It's actually really nice. It says, inspiring the aspiring artist. That's me. With 20 years of experience working with the best manufacturers in the makeup category, Profusion Cosmetics has mastered... This isn't even a Coastal Scents unboxing. Oh my god. What is wrong with me? I don't even know what I'm unboxing. Okay, change of plans. We are actually unboxing from Profusion Cosmetics, not Coastal Scents. But now you guys know that that will be coming next. So, anyway. Profusion Cosmetics has mastered the art of makeup palettes and are changing the game when it comes to quality palettes at affordable prices. Proudly cruelty-free and inclusive, made for all. Well, it's a cute little card, and it literally says, like on the top and on the back, Profusion Cosmetics, and still somehow my blind ass did not see it, and what a mess up. They also included a little pop socket. That's really cute, and it's really awesome. So I got a free little gift. Look at that. And don't get me wrong, I'm a literal nobody, so I'm pretty sure that came with everyone's box, which I'm cool for equal treatment. So it is filled with a bunch of like packing bubbles. But getting into it, I actually did order quite a bit from them, so don't worry. The first thing that I got from them was their Mixed Metals Lips Kit in Nude. Because I do have to wear a lot of nude makeup for work, so I thought that that would be perfect. And I think this was only like $5 when it was on sale, or less. but it comes with a matte lip liner, a matte lip cream, and a metallic matte lip cream. So you can wear them all together, just the metallic, just the matte. So I will definitely be using this soon. Next we have the Lippy Squad in Barely Nudes. I got a lot more nudes. And this one has 2 sparkling lip toppers and 4 matte lip creams. And the shades are actually pretty cute. Some of these definitely won't look like super nude on me. Like these 2 might look nude on me, but we'll see what I can wear. The next lip kit that I got is the Mixed Metals in Cocoa, which I really like this combination a lot for a dark lip. This is like reading as red on the camera, but it's not. It's a very like dark, it's like a deep brownish red color, but it's not this red. And next is another lips kit. Lipsticks and lip products are one of my favorites when it comes to makeup. So you'll see me order a lot of this stuff. For as often as I don't use it, I order so much of it. It's an addiction. It's an addiction. The next Mixed Metals lip kit is in the colors Berry. And then this one's really pretty. This one would be a great dark lip. And I just love the 2. Oh, this one comes with 2, are they all metal mattes? This one actually comes with 2 metal matte lip creams. So there's this pale coppery one and this darker berry, almost like a purplish red color. Huh, I'll have to try them both out. More packing bubbles. All right, there's some stuff that's bubble wrapped together, so I do have to open that stuff up. So I see why they had to give me a bigger box. Let's start with the little guy first. Oh, tons of bubble wrap. Oh, wow, okay. So this is their Spectrum palette in a bunch of neon colors. And it is so much brighter in person than when it was online. Like, not in a bad way. It is neon, like they said, but oh my gosh, they are so bright and beautiful. I have to swatch some. Oh, the case is taped shut. So, we're gonna open her up. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! Wow, those are so bright. The ones that I'm definitely gonna swatch is going to be this pink color. Ooh. This yellow. The green. And the light blue. Definitely super colorful. So here's the light blue. Ooh, that is bright. The pink, the yellow, and the green. Oh wow. And it's still like on my fingers. Ooh. I cannot wait to use this one. So many colorful looks in store with this, honestly. I'm so excited. That one I do remember ordering. That's like the one of few products I remember. Next we have the Sun-Kissed palette, which is huge. It is so much bigger than what I thought it was going to be. But oh my gosh, look how pretty it is. So this one, there's a couple in here that I really want to swatch. This one has some glitters. Protective screen. Oh, the protective screen's sticky. Okay. We're just gonna, gosh, fold this back for now. So I definitely want to try these glitters that they have. They have 3, which is these ones right here. And they have like a couple shimmery ones, some mattes. So I'm gonna try this pink glittery one. Oh, it's chunky. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, wow. That is gorgeous. No primer needed. Okay. Okay. I see you, girl. I see you. Ooh, I do want to dip into this orange one up here though, because this one is really pretty. It looks like it just has a little bit of shimmer to it. It's like a beautiful, like, Cheeto dust orange. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has just a little bit of shimmer to that. Ooh, ooh, I'm getting real excited here. For someone who has several hundred palettes left untouched that I've ordered, I order a lot of palettes. Man, palettes and lipsticks, I can't stop ordering. Especially when there's sales, it makes it even harder to not order. Like, they're so cheap, why not order them? All right, so our last 2 products in this gigantic box are both eye and lip kits, which is perfect for me. And even these are bigger than I thought they were gonna be. So this is the Mixed Metals Eyes and Lips in Peaches. So it comes with a brush of its own, a lip color, one of the metallic liquid lips, and one of their metallic eyeshadows. And this palette is so much bigger than I thought it was going to. Like, everything is so much bigger in person. When you're ordering online, it looks like relatively small. Not small for a palette, but just regular small palettes. Like, and then you get them. Like, this one I thought was going to be much smaller. I thought it was going to be like one of those little travel size ones. No, this is like a full moment of its own. And it is beautiful. This is very pretty for like some neutral colored looks, which again, I have to wear neutral colors for work, so that's perfect for me. Oh my gosh. And this one, I already love the packaging on this. This is Pink Sparkle, and I love this glittery framework going on here. And the accent, their packaging is just so amazing. I love their packaging. I'm like overly impressed with their packaging. Maybe I'm just easily impressed, but either way. So this palette actually comes with what looks like it's supposed to be some sort of highlight or bronzer and a blush. This blush is very bright, so that might just become its own eyeshadow color, because wowza. And then this one also comes with a brush. This one looks like a little bit bigger of a brush than the one that you get in this one. I might just be crazy. And so in this one, you get this palette, which has 8 eyeshadow colors and 2 face pans. This one had 9 colors in this one. Obviously the colors in this one are much smaller. And then you also get a glittery eyeliner. This is a sparkle eyeliner. And I love that color too. It's like a red with gold reflex in it. So I'm super excited to try that one with this palette as well. So you have like a couple of your nudes and then your darker colors. It has like that shimmery orange one. Oh, it's the same. So this one also has a shimmery orange one in the corner, and I think that's the same shimmer orange as that one. I just love their packaging. Blow me away, Profusion. Okay, sis. So that is it for this haul. All in all, this is everything that I ordered, which is a lot when you look at it this way. So I might just have a teeny weeny problem with ordering makeup. And this was all for about like $55 with their sale. So this is a lot of stuff, a lot. Plus, of course, their sweet little extra gifts for me, which I'm so happy about. I love free gifts. So I can't wait to use these palettes, these lip colors, just all of it in future looks. If there's anything specifically that you guys want me to use in a future video, just let me know and I will do that for you. Don't worry. It'll give me a reason to finally use all the makeup that I've bought and is just accumulating slowly in my closet and will probably one day fall on me and kill me, and makeup will be my death. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's always a pleasure to have you guys here. Thank you for those of you who are returned viewers. I appreciate you guys so, so much. And if you're new, hey, what's up? Welcome to the family. And if you could go ahead and leave a like and subscribe to my channel, it would mean the absolute world to me. And don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so you're notified every time that I upload, because I can't stick to a schedule for crap. But maybe that'll be my New Year's resolution. Actually uploading on time. That would require me to get my life together, which I'm currently struggling to do so. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!